How to hide blog list on Instagram. Install an update to the latest version and open your Instagram. So I will just block someone because I'm not sure if I've blocked anybody from my account. So try to block this account just by going through the profile of any random person. For example, I will just type any random account that I want to block. So if I want to block Priyanka Chopra, I will just tap on file, and after tapping on the profile, I will just block them. On the top right side, you will see there are 3 vertical dots available. So I'll just tap on block. Now, when you blocked your account, just go on your profile, go on the 3 vertical lines. After you do that, just scroll down and tap on blocked accounts. And now you see the blocked accounts that you have. Now includes other accounts they may have created. All the accounts they will create will be blocked from your account, and you can simply unblock them if you want to, but just remember that you should not keep the blocked account on Instagram hidden, because it is always hidden by default. The public will not know if you have blocked the certain account or not. So I will just unblock it since I don't want to block it right now. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Comment on the comment section for more suggestions like this videos and your questions or queries. I hope you like the video. See you on the next one.